think probably one of the most impactful things that I've ever seen you state, and it's one of those things that like it should be on a t-shirt. Somebody should get a tattoo on their leg with this comment. Purpose gives brands permission to profit. Like that is such a profound statement. I want you to kind of unpack that, because I mean earlier on we were leading up to this, but I really want you now that like the listener has a little bit more foreground to what we're talking about. Like, what does that statement really mean to you?
Yeah, that it truly comes down to that stem of capitalism. Like we need capitalists in this world to survive. You need businesses to run. People need to make money so that they can hire people and grow and scale. But one of the things that I learned is that I wasn't motivated by making more money. What I was motivated by was making more impact. And what this gave me permission to do was to go make as much money as I could in this world, as long as I was doing good with it. So it gives brands permission to make more money if they're going to make more impact along the way, right? Subconsciously, a lot of people have money mindset problems, right? If you're an entrepreneur, you've heard that before, right? You probably have some sort of money mindset problem where you grew up in a scarcity mindset, or people that made money were bad people, things like that. What we're doing is changing that narrative. What if, SA, I gave you permission to double your income next year because you were going to do good with it? And not saying directly proportional, or not saying it's like, hey, if you make an extra $100,000, you need to give that away. But what I'm saying is, what if you made an extra $100,000 and you donated 20 of it next year and you walked away with an extra $80,000? Now you've made more money, but you also donated $20,000 that you weren't going to be able to do this year, right? So think about that. So now you're like, wow, I can actually go donate $20,000 and I'm going to get an extra paycheck on the other side. That's a pretty cool feeling. And now you can feel like you can make an impact. So it gives brands that ability to realize that they need to go make more money as long as they have the impact attached to it, and they don't have to feel guilty about the money they're making in the money mindset equation.